We're here at the Woolloomooloo small format Woolworths store, and over the next 5 days, we're going to set up an in-store innovation lab to identify problems that real customers face and try to come up with a working prototype.
The mission for Woolworths in Australia is all about fresh food. We are Australia's fresh food people, and customers expect nothing less from us. The Woolworths Innovation Lab is really important to Woolworths because it puts us in front of the customer. It allows us to test ideas and find out whether that idea makes sense before we put forward a big investment. It allows us to really understand the customer. If we make a mistake, it allows us to pivot and change quickly and cheaply. If we're on the right track, it allows us to build and grow on that idea.
Getting out of the office and into the store allows us to really use some lightweight prototyping techniques, sketch something out, show it to customers, get feedback, and that allows us to change and iterate much more quickly.
Day one is primarily about trying to understand the problem space, so being what is the particular issue that is worth us exploring?
Typical customer for a small store is very different to the customer for a big store. So we really wanted to understand how self-scanning, checking out with your phone would work and if customers would use it.
I come in on Monday, buy a coffee, have a quick chat to you, talk to you about something that'd be really good, come back at lunch on Tuesday and hey, you're prototyping it already. That's got to be unheard of.
It's quite difficult to shop with a basket and hold the phone and scan at the same time. I think if I was coming to a store that I knew was always busy and I always had to queue in and it was going to make it quicker, yes, but if it was a store like this that is always quiet, then probably not.
I thought it was an interesting concept. I think it could definitely work so long as you have a basket in it.
So we've switched gears a little bit. Midday yesterday, we decided to change tactic and put together a new offering where we can help customers who, many of them at the dinner rush are just picking up chicken on the run, help them put together a healthy meal that moves beyond chicken in a bun.
I spend a lot of time talking about meal deals and meal solutions for people because it's a big key for us in our business is people are on the run, they're in a hurry, I hate the term, but they're time poor.
So we've built this iPad app. It allows you to pick a recipe, and when you select that recipe, LED lights connected through some hardware light up, show you exactly what you need. There's also an option where you can email the recipe to yourself. That way when you get home, it's with you all the time.
Oh, fantastic. So they're the things I need. What a great idea. Email it to yourself. I would definitely use it. It's a very good idea. Love it.
Well, it's practical. I love it.
Something that we're not traditionally used to. It's been fun watching the idea grow. I think that's probably the best way to put it. I've come in as an outsider, popping in and out during the week and just seeing it evolve from something that we said at the beginning, we don't think we're doing meal deals very well, to this, which is a completely illuminated solution. It's fantastic. The observations we've seen during the week is people just want that solution, and I think this gives it to them in a bit of a fun way as well. So I'd expect to see a few people playing with it and just having a bit of a laugh. If this doesn't end up on social media, I'll be surprised.
There's no chance this could have come together without ThoughtWorks. It's been key to the success of this project. We didn't end up where we suspected when we started. We had an anticipation about what we thought the answers might be for customers. What we've done differently here is really, rather than asking customers what they want, we provide customers with options and see how they react to those options. If anything, the point of this was about learning, and I think we've definitely learned. And I think a bonus is we've achieved something good for customers and something customers will use. And so if anything, I've learned that we'll do this again.